And welcome to the second video in the series of the videos on congruence. So today we are talking about congruence in geometrical figures. The first one is line segments. So to recall what is congruence, congruence is a relationship between two objects where we say that the two objects are congruent. What is congruent? Congruent is when the two objects are of the same shape and size, or we say that they are the exact copy of each other, and then we say that their two objects are congruent and the relationship is congruence between them. So let's try and figure out, like there's a figure 1, we have two line segments, line segment AB and line segment CD, and in figure 2 we have line segment RS and line segment PQ. So let's see in the example 1, figure 1, our line segment AB and line segment CD are congruent to each other. Okay, so for congruence we say that they are of same shape and size. In the case of line segment, we have to measure their length. So if the length AB is equal to length CD, we say that they are congruent to each other. So the criteria is AB has to be equal to CD. Now there are different kinds of measurement, like you can just take a ruler and measure the AB length and then the CD length, and see that if we are getting the same same unit or the same measuring number. So, and the second one is you can actually take this AB and overlap on CD, and then see that if AB is completely overlapping or you cannot see any part of CD, you can say that AB is of the same length of CD. So let's try and do the second method. The first one is quite easy. You can just take your ruler and do that. So here you can see that I have trace copied the two figures, the figure 1 with AB and CD, the figure 2 with RS and PQ, and let's see if AB, yes, so if you see here, AB is a replica for CD, but the next picture, that the figure 2, the RS is not getting completely overlapped, or it's not the true replica or complete copy replica of the QS. Let's go back. So here we can say that AB is equal to CD, but the figure 2 RS is, or the length of RS is not equal to length of PQ. Now that means the line segment, this is the denotion for line segment, so is congruent. This is the sign for the congruence, congruent to line segment CD. And here we say that line segment RS is not congruent to line segment PQ. In other words, we can say that if two line segments are congruent, so if it's given that there are two line segments AB and CD, if they are congruent to each other, that means, so if they are congruent, then they need to have equal lengths, have equal length, and vice versa is also holds true. If you are said that the two line segments are of equal length, then they will be congruent. They are congruent to each other. So both the cases hold true. If AB is equal to CD, that means if their lengths are equal, then the two line segments are congruent, and if the two line segments are said to be congruent, then the lengths will always be equal. So this is an important property which we have discussed today. This is for today. In the next video we would be talking about different geometrical figures. Thank you.